and I think we are getting lost. There's no road there. Is that where the map is telling us to go? Hi guys, you guys okay? So we are starting the day today in Aberdeen. We just walk around Aberdeen, look around, go to their shopping areas. We are lodged in their city center, so we might as well yeah, just go around, look around the city center of Aberdeen, and that's what today's vlog is going to be all about. So enjoy the rest of the vlog. Now we are already in the shopping place. So we just came to grab a few things for breakfast. Do we need what's it called? Bacon. Alright, go on then. Go on then. One, me one, just one. So we are using this salted butter milk, fried our egg, yeah. Come and start cracking the eggs.
Okay, really?
That's the egg there.
Oh, thank you, Mommy, for sharing me.
You just one, you do the other one. So what are you doing? So, but you know this your dog is not also good.
It's only cost.
That's our coffee. Go on. You having this? No, that's our this one. So go on, carry this one. Go on, babes. Let me go and carry yours. Good stuff. Is it hot?
Give me bits.
Dress up and have a walk. Reduced. out and put it back in the fridge. You want to pour that food, that's what I do. Come out from here.
Okay.
Come on then. So you wanted to bang this your cocoa head on my nose. So guys, we're about heading out now. We just want to walk around, look around, but first stop is Primark to get her Daisy sandals, because she said she wanted a sandals. We'll get her a sandals and then we'll walk around the Aberdeen city, walk around, look around the city, look around, and then much later we'll go to my husband's cousin's place, and I think that will be it for the day. Yeah, so you girls ready?
Yes, Mommy.
Come on girls, let's go. Right, let's go. So outfit of the day, my wig, this top, this jean, and my, what's it called, my Adidas. Yeah, so this is Merchant Quarter, Carmelite Street. Let's zoom closer. Can you guys see? Good. So
Mommy, there's two shoes inside there.
let's go. Let's go, girls. Where is the map telling us to go?
Turn left onto the green.
Left, this way. Okay.
Is it that way?
We are using our map to go to Primark. Nadeze is holding the map. Take care.
How can I hold it?
Here's the map telling us to go, B. Keep going straight. Look. Here's the map telling us to go.
Mommy, can I hold it?
Oh, that's a big building. Me, you need to keep your hand straight. If you bend your hand, it will not show you the right way to go. Me, are we not lost? Ha. Okay. You guys, Adesi is our map girl. She's telling us where to go. And I think we are getting lost. Me, there's no road there. Is that where the map is telling us to go? Baby, is it telling us to climb up? Are you sure? Let me see. Is it? I'm gonna be going now. Okay. Adesi is our direction girl. Adesi is the one leading us. So she said the map said we should climb this staircase that we are climbing. Can you guys see? Okay. So don't run. Which way? Come, let's see. Is that Primark? Oh, we were there. You got it right. Yay, Primark. I got it right. So this is Union Street. Primark. So carry it back, carry it. Drawing basket.
Mommy, can I get this?
This one is £5. £5, yeah? Let's take this. And dust the neck of your jacket.
Mom, can I?
I wear slippers. It's just a cool city. It's not too busy, boom, 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 no, it's not busy, it's just cool and nice. So guys, this is my view from the hotel. There's a stagecoach passing. Bus 35 to Aberdeen. And that over there is Aberdeen train station, where we stopped yesterday, where we stopped 2 days ago when we arrived. Let me zoom closer. Can you guys see Aberdeen station? And this is the shopping mall, what is it called again? Whatever. And this is me sitting in the bedroom of my apartment, and I'm viewing the whole city center. A lot. I'm going to be exploring this city center today. My usual walk. I'll walk around everywhere in this city center today. It's nice. So what I've noticed so far, okay, this is like the city bus. I'll just sit here for a couple minutes and look around, because this is Monday morning, to see how Monday morning, and this is currently 8 a.m. ish, to see how every is going. So this is a really nice location. So if you need the contact of the person that has this location, if you have plans of coming to Aberdeen, just send me an email. I will give it to you. You are just right in city center, and everything is just around you. Downstairs now there is a Sizzles, like an eatery, and then there is Sainsbury. A lot of things are just around here. And yesterday we went to eat in Tasty Tea. That's an African restaurant. I ate a foriro, hobby ate a goosey, his cousin ate vegetable, like Adeza also ate jollof rice. The food was banging. I mean, banging. You guys should not mind my face. I just woke up and brushed my teeth. Yeah, so let's start the day. I'll try and carry you guys along with me, okay?